Hello, I just wanted to pop on real quick and show you how to make one of these daisy wreaths like these. I've had a lot of requests to ask me how I did this, how I did that, so I figured I'd do a quick video and explain how I did things, and maybe somebody else would have some better ideas too. So this is the one I'm working on, and I did a baby one, and what you need is you choose your DSP, and I used Twinkle Twinkle, or what's it called? I got it right here. It is Twinkle Twinkle Designer Series paper, and you cut your strips into 1x6s, and you need 31 or 32. Sometimes it depends on how they fit together in there, because they slot together kinda. And so cut you 1x6 strips, and you can like coordinate them. I did one of each, or in the case of these ones, I used one of each color, and like the sizes, I did some big dots and little dots, big dots, little dots. So but this one I just alternated one for one. And you'll need a 9-inch, it's actually 9.8 inch or 24 centimeter floral foam wreath ring, and you can get them at Dollar Tree for $1. And like I said, I used a Twinkle Twinkle paper. The ribbon, the little clothespins, I believe came in a cake soiree embellishment kit. I just punched my little baby, oh, not with that, with the banner punch. With the banner punch, I punched the bottom. So, and the ribbon is petal pink variegated ribbon. So it's this ribbon here. It's very soft and delicate. It's very pretty. So let me stick my little baby Y back on here. The letters I used were the large letter framelits. I did cut out baby, and I was going to put, oops, I have to move my light, girl on the bottom, but I stuck that daisy there, so I can't put it there now. But I could have put girl here. I think that would have been cute too, but that's another idea for another one. Maybe put boy, do a boy one. So anyway, let me get started and I'll show you what I did. All I did was I took the opposite one of what's next, and I just wrap it around, hold it there, get my stapler and staple. Oops, I'm not supposed to move. It doesn't have to be so tight because you want it to move anyway. And then do another one, the opposite. So put this one in here. Just put them together at the top, pinch it as best you can, staple, and pull it around. And another one, the opposite. I think I'm going to need another one on here. No, this will do. I'm going to make this my last one and spread them about. You'll hide those with your daisies anyway. So bring it up. And so you probably have about 30 of these floral, little loops. Alright, so I had 2 left over from whatever I cut. I cut 1.5 sheets, I think, of DSP for the circles. Right, for the daisies, I cut the opposites. I did, of course, I did these ones, and then I did another paper with the circles, and I didn't like the back, but that's okay. We're going to use the circles. So let me show you how I do my daisies. Stick this off to the side for a moment and grab these 4 right here because I need them that way. I got to move my white paper, or I could use one of these. You need a piece of foam. I always have foam under here. and I take my daisy and I want it the other way. So you take like the end of your bone folder or the end of this, something, and you just run it down and it makes the petals curl very lightly. You don't even have to put a lot of pressure on it. The less pressure, the more it curls. If you do it too hard, it doesn't curl too good. But get it right into the middle of your circle there, right? And set it aside and do the next one. It's better if you work towards, so you're not working against the petals. Just, you don't have to do it too much, but curl them all in. I'm sure there might be another way to do this, but this is what I do. I just curl them in. And a couple more. Yeah. There we go. Now you can take them, sort of spread them out, and just give it a twirl. Loosen the fibers in there, and it curls up your petals. So flip it down like a spider. Twirl it around in there. Turn it over, flip it down like a spider again. Loosen up those fibers there, it makes it curl. There we go. So that's how I did that. And then all I did was I took a 1/2 inch circle punch, a 1/2 inch for the centers. I just cut out some soft sea foam, some of this DSP, and I used like fronts or backs, just whatever you want to put in your centers. And I just glued, where's my glue? No, use this liquid glue. I can get rid of the lid. Move that. Oh, and I used a daisy punch, of course. Everybody knows I'm doing daisies, so I presume you knew I was doing a daisy punch. I can get my glue to come out. Some on that one. Some on that one. And just stick this in like the opposite. There we go. And this in like the opposite. Right, now I used a dimensional in the center. And I just took and put one of these little circles. So you can pick either side. You could do it solid or you can do it the other. I put 2 pieces together so then I could pick what I wanted. I thought I had another one. Oh, I guess it doesn't matter. Let me see. I'll do just a solid pink. I did have 2. Yeah, I probably knocked it off somewhere. All right, we'll just do a solid pink in that one. All right, so I think that's all my daisies. Oh, there it was, right there. Okay. Now for these, I hot glued those on. I'll put my ribbon up because I've got it all cut already. So take your wreath again, and since we're done with this, I pull these up so they're kind of up here, like that. And I glue the daisies to these, like so. And then your back looks really pretty. You know, your back will be mostly covered anyway. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put like one, and then put one of those in there, like so. Okay, so just spread them out as best you can. I'll stick a bit of glue here. And put my daisy. Try and hide your staples so it looks pretty. Right? Right. all these strings. Don't like strings. And then, there we go. Yeah. I'm putting less on this one. There are 15 daisies, I believe. Right. Let's pull you up. You can pull them up a little bit later if they tend to slip down a bit. Okay, so put you about here. That way you see the inside as well as the out or the underneath. And then one patterned one in the middle. Not hard to do at all. It's just if you have any other ideas how to do them, I appreciate it. I just kind of figured it out, I guess. I did have banner cuts in there, but then I thought that's just an extra step and you don't really see them, so I'm not even going to do the banner punch there. I just did it on my little baby word. So here we go again, just stick them there. And some I put 2 on, but I don't think it's necessary. I think it looks quite good with just the 1 row. Let's try this. And then stick this one in the middle. It might not be totally even, but only you and I know that now. I don't think anybody's going to look that close, I don't think. If they are, they don't want to buy from me because I don't do perfect. I try, but I'm human. And that. And that. Hot, hot, hot. It's still hot. Yeah, this one's a bit close. But that's okay. No worries. There we go. Oh, I don't think I did that one. Oh, wait. Right, that's okay. So anyway, there is our baby wreath. I think it's adorable. And there's the back. You can just kind of scoot them over so they... let's see if I can show you how I did the ribbon. No, won't let me. All I did was I taped it around here. I glued it, hot glued it around here. And then strung it across and did it around here too. Now I'm going to put 2 little bows on here. I tied my wee bows earlier, so I think I'll put one there and one on this side. Maybe right on the edge. There. I think that'll be good. Right on the edge. I hate these strings. Okay, turn. Yeah, go underneath there. Just fluff around with it and straighten things out the way you want them. Doesn't have to be straight, just on there. So there's our baby wreath. How about that? Thank you for all the suggestions for words. I couldn't think of any words, but let me show you the other ones again. All right, so there's the baby. This one I put hello, and that's in the Brights DSP with a bright grapefruit grove and a bright yellow. I can't even think what colors are in the bright sections right now. So there's that one. See, I did 2 rows, which I don't think is necessary. I think that looks quite pretty. Right, so now this one, I did in the fall in the Regal colors. Oh, I have to tie a ribbon around the top like so. So you just, I hot glued that on there too, kind of. How did I do this one? Right here, and I put a little banner bit over it. I just glued it on there. You can tie it around. Not going to make a hill of beans a difference. But anyway, 9-inch wreath forms will make that. And I wanted to show you this too. This is also a 9-inch wreath form with the coffee filters. But look how big this looks. There's about maybe 100 coffee filters on here. I think it just looks massive compared to these. But it's the same size wreath. I'm going to put like gold poinsettia and gold ribbon in places, like just tie it in places. So I haven't quite decided yet. I've got a ways to go for these ones. I'm in my planning stages now. So anyway, I thank you, and I hope that this helps you able to make some of these. I think they'd be brilliant. I think people would love to buy these in a craft fair. So good luck, and thank you. I will post it on my blog as well. That way you'll have the written directions as well as the video. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.